Canon's fine technology enables the precise ejection of microscopic ink droplets. This results in enhanced print quality and accurate color reproduction. Some models use a 6-color hybrid ink system, including photo blue, for richer colors and smoother gradients. Canon Megatank printers use refillable ink tanks instead of traditional cartridges. These printers offer high page yields, printing thousands of pages per ink set. Many models include two-way paper feeding and automatic duplex printing for efficiency. Canon printers with fine print heads and 6-color ink systems enhance photo print quality for home and student use. Small businesses benefit from high-yield ink tanks, duplex printing, and fast first-page printing on laser models. Creative professionals can leverage hybrid ink systems for smoother gradients and improved photo reproduction.